You know, for our any Power BI project or any data analysis project or any project, we need to prepare some technical documentation like how many tables we are using, how many columns we are using, how many formulas. So all those things we need to explore and we need to put it in some technical documentation so that any new team member is joining your team and you have to provide some knowledge transfer, so this technical documentation can help that person to understand about your project or the application. So I was looking for some tool like which will help me to at a glance I can get all the table details, all the formulas, all the relationships in one place. So I got this nice tool. This is Powerops. In this video, we are going to explore the initial portion of this Powerops. Okay, so welcome to my channel. This is Arpita's Tech Corner. I hope you are doing good. So let's explore this tool. Okay. So first, what I found that you need to go to this Powerops website, okay, and there you can get the free version for this Powerops desktop. I'm exploring this free version. Okay, so I have downloaded this free version and it has been installed in my system. Okay, let me open this one. Okay, this is the Power Up. So at a glance, you will find out this Power Ups application and it has all the features. Like if you want to explore how you can use that one, you can go to this help section, some documentation, but it's pretty crystal clear like what exactly we can do with that. I'm going to select one existing Power BI file. So you can select some report, or if you select this model, you will need to import this type of file format. However, I'm going to use some our simple PBIX file format. Okay. So let me browse this and go back to my folder. And here I have one pretty crystal clear file. So I'm selecting this one and open that. So just click on add. Initially, I was a little bit confused. Okay, what exactly it's doing that? It's opening the file in the Power BI desktop. But I didn't open the Power BI desktop. Let's wait and watch what exactly is happening. So it's opening the file in Power BI desktop itself. And okay, so now my file is open in Power BI desktop. I'm sure you're definitely confused. What exactly is happening? I'm just selecting the Power Ops, but it's opening in the Power BI desktop. Yes, the first time I have also shocked with this type of things. But here is the tricks. You just go to the external tools and here you'll find out this Powerops tool is already added with our external section. So I've installed earlier this tabular editor, DAX Studio and everything, and this time I have installed this Powerops. Okay, so I click on this Powerops and this tool is populated with all the information about this Power BI file. So if you see, this is the summary section. So from the summary section, you'll find out, okay, I have 3 pages, how many objects are there. So all those initial information. And here we have this 2 table view. Yes, in detail page 1 and detail page 2, I have 2 table view. And this is the decomposition tree, which I have added in this root cause analysis. Okay, let's check that. Yes, I have this table view. And this is the decomposition tree. Yes, it's got the right one. And what else I have? So I have used 2 types of visualization perfectly. Now let's go to this report section. Yes, it's giving me some good option. Yes, this is the landing page. Yeah. When I open the file, my detail page 2 was the landing page. So that means when I save this Power BI file, by default, this detail page was a landing page. So that's why it's picked up this detail page 2 is the landing page. That's a good point. Yes. Now, what else? So, visual. Yep. In that root cause analysis, what are the field? Okay, this sum of sales, sum of profit, and these three more variables. Okay, what are the fields I have used? Let's check that one. Okay, I'm going to this root cause analysis. I'm selecting this one. Yes, yes, I have selected this profit and sales and these three fields from this product hierarchy. Let's go back to Powerops. Yeah, I have all the information. So it's pretty good, no? Like at a glance, I don't need to check the Power BI desktop. Okay, at a glance, I can see, okay, for this report, how many fields are there? What all the fields are there? However, to rectify our report, we have to go to the Power BI desktop. But it's a good thing, like at a glance we can see, okay, this report has this field, this report has this field. So it's a pretty good feeling that, okay, which fields are using for across our reports. Okay, that's a very good point. Now I have this custom visual. Okay, I haven't used that one. Filter, no filter, bookmark, and these sections are zero because I didn't use that one. Let's go to the model. Yeah, it's pretty good. So in the model section, it's showing that how many tables we have. Yes, I have all those tables. If you want to verify, go back. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. Did I miss something? Let's go back. No, this shifted was hidden. That's the reason from this visualization, I didn't see that. But it's good that Powerops it's showing me. That's a good point. So that means if any hidden tables are also there, we can see it from this Powerops. That's a good point. Okay, now what is the storage method? Import. That's another good point, I believe. Let's select this customer. Okay, let's select the column section. So from this product, how many products we have? Sorry, how many columns we have? Cells, how many? Okay, that's a good point. Like data type and everything is visible properly. Yeah. Then geography, customer, order date, ship date. Yeah. Let's go to the hierarchy. Yes, I have only one hierarchy. What else I can see? From the relationship section, I can find it out. Exact relationship. That means from the fact table joining with this all this dimension table. So it's pretty crystal clear the relationship section area. However, my code is pretty simple, but if you have a very complex Power BI data model, I think this will give you a very good value. Like you will find out what all the joins, what all the relationships are available or present in your Power BI code. What else I have? Let's see. No, I didn't use anything here. Data source. Yeah, it's pretty crystal clear. The CVS document, CSV file. That is fine. Let's go to the DAX. Yeah, this is pretty interesting. Like how many DAX formulas I've used there. So, yes, you can see all the DAX expression. I like it. Now, dependencies. Oh, wow. So here you will find out all this measure depends on which field. Oh, this good. So from there you can find it out. This is the measure column. Measured, sorry, calculated measure columns, calculated table columns. Wow. So at a glance, you will find out all the model dependencies. Let me go to this report dependencies. Wow, this is also good. I feel you can also explore. This is pretty interesting. I really love it. Now this is Power Query dependencies. Yeah, this is very simple because I don't have too much complication in the Power Query section, so it's pretty crystal clear. Let me M queries. Okay, what else I have? Oh, so if you select the sales table, it will provide you the complete M queries. That means our Power BI, Power Query. From the Power Query, in the advanced editor, whatever the formula we are getting or whatever the M language we are getting, so everything is available here. Wow, this is pretty cool. What else I have? Let me go to the role section. Okay, I didn't do anything RLS. So I believe if we have something like this roles defined in your model, so definitely it will display here. Okay, cool. So let's go back to some other area. Find usage. Okay, let's select this one. What else I have? If I select this country column, no usage. That means this column I didn't use any of my report or anywhere. Let's select another column. Let's check. I'm selecting this profit column and it's showing that yes, somewhere I have added this column. So that means there are three uses findings. So that means this column has been used somewhere. Previous year profit, profit difference, total cost. So in these three measure name, I can find it out. I've used this profit column. Yeah, that is also very interesting part, I believe. Let's go to the compare section. So here I didn't compare anything. Maybe in my next video, I'll try to find out if I compare two files, source and destination, might maybe I will change some things in this file and I'll put it here. So then we can do some comparison. Okay. Now go to the best practices section. Okay, this is another interesting area. That means in your coding, in your Power BI, whether you are adding some tables, your Power Query logic, your DAX formula, any formatting, it will display the best practices whether you followed or not. So that means here you can find it out. This yellow mark is the low, something will be in the orange, that means the medium, and something in the red is high. Oh my god, that means somewhere I did something wrong. So here I have this 10 fails. Okay, I have to check that. So here 3 fails, pretty good. Maintenance, okay, still better, but this is not good. This it's a little bit better, but this is really good. That 0 fail, and naming convention also. So from this section, not only we can check our code, we can learn about some best practices. So maybe we can explore more and more to find out how this Powerops is really doing a great job. Okay, I hope you like this video and definitely you are going to share this video with your colleagues or friends or your team member. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.